This is our XL kit using the 9x9 tiles. This is shown in the Mossy rock color. This comes with 4 loose rocks that you can split and separate or run together if you wanted. You can shove them into cracks to cover spaces or to make the transitions shorter. Kind of use however you want in there. Now these tiles are snapped together and can be put pretty much in any direction you want. This can get turned around, placed in any place that you want. You can move them in any direction. So it's just kind of the first layout that I set up. So usually every time I put them together, I put them together slightly differently, different arrangements. Now these work pretty much with any scale vehicle, down from the 30th scale all the way up to an 18th scale. Obviously with these smaller vehicles, the obstacles become much larger and more difficult, but they are still a ton of fun with these as well. We do offer a 6x6 version, which work a little bit better with the smaller vehicles, but these work well for them as if you want. You can also mix and match the 6x6 and 9x9 tiles. Use the same tab system, and so if you put 9 of the 6x6 tiles, they'll take up the same space as 4 of the 9x9 tiles. So you could take these 4 out here and put 9 small ones, and they would all snap together exactly the same. And so same thing, like I said, any of these can get moved around into any arrangement you wanted. Move that and then change the shape as you see fit there. They work pretty well, anything from a stock vehicle all the way up to an extremely modified vehicle. Obviously something like this is going to do a little bit better on some of these lines than something like this, where it's going to get easier high stuck or anything. But you can pretty much arrange them however you want. We also, if you do have a soft floor that these tabs are hard to snap together with, there is these tabs on the side that you can stick a side connector in and work better for hard surfaces, but they are harder to change the arrangement on there. And so one of these connector tabs would slip into the side, put 2 of them in there, and then they lock together and become more of a solid in there. So another way that this can also get set up is, rather than putting it into a square, you could put it into a long line. If you had 2 of them, you could put them side by side and kind of drag race with them. That way you could do like competitions. So there's a lot of versatility in the way that these work.